Hi guys, welcome back. All right, today we have a Thredup Fun Box, and this is the first time I've gotten one of these small fun boxes. Usually I get the longer boxes, but hey, good things come in small packages. That's what they say at least. Okay, and this is already open because this is my second time filming this video. I was opening it so y'all could get my first impressions, and then at the end I realized that I filmed it the wrong way. You know, it was up and down instead of wide, and just didn't look right, so I'm having to do it again. So anyway, here is a first look, and then I will go through each piece with you, and I'll just say that I'm very happy with this box. Okay, let's get the boring things out of the way. We have a headband, and this is versed, and this one is a little dingy till it's been used. This one is Lele Sadohi. I've never heard of that one before, and it's like a burgundy velvet. And I don't wear headbands myself, so I've got a couple more headbands from other boxes. I'll probably eventually group them together. And this is really cute. It's a belt, butterfly belt with rhinestones. Actually, that's not a butterfly. What is a beetle? I don't know. The body kind of looks like a beetle bottle. A beetle body. Okay. We have a belt from J. Crew, and I'm thinking maybe this belt came with some kind of outfit. I don't know. I'll have to look it up, but it's just a ribbon, and these appear to be sewn on. Alrighty, then we have a detachable collar. It's really pretty. I know there's a special name for those, but I can't think of it right now. Appears to be all intact. That's really cute. I do not know who that's by. I will Google image. Okay. And then one of my favorites from this box is this flamenco embellished. Really pretty. Let's see, I had it open earlier. There we go. It's made in China. I will Google image that. That's so cute though. It's gold. I like. Okay, and then we had, all of these came in this bag. We have another headband, which this headband feels very substantial. So I will Google image that. Everything seems to be intact. And this might even be vintage, I'm not sure. It seems, I'm thinking 80s or 90s, maybe. Really cute. I could be wrong on that. These earrings, Raven Lily. I really like these. North India, ravenlily.com. Metallic leather earrings. This is just a piece of fashion jewelry, butterfly. And then we have Swarovski. These are crystals from Swarovski. Mystique J. And I really like these. I may be keeping these for myself. I will see what the resale value is on it, but imitation pearl Barcelona earrings with Swarovski crystals. One size. I really like those. All right. This was also one of my favorites. It's from Anne Klein. Look how pretty that is. It's a bow stretch bracelet with a little bow. Well, not little. False pearls. That would be great for the holidays if you have somewhere fancy to go. Isn't that beautiful? By Anne Klein. And then my absolute oh wait, one more thing before the end. This was also in that bag. And it is a heart. At first I thought it was a ring, but then when you look at the back, I think it goes on like a necklace, like a charm. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then my absolute favorite from this box, I wish y'all could have got my first expression the first time I opened this box. But look at this, it's from the Danbury Mint. Guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's quartz. By Quartz. Just look at the greens. I mean, it just really catches your eye. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but when I opened that box, it was like, wow, beautiful. It's got a stretch band. Isn't that beautiful? The battery needs to be replaced, and also on the back, I think it was a gift to someone because it has engraved Sarah on the back. It says Japan something at the bottom. But that is my favorite item in this box. Okay, so let me put that back in and we'll do a count. So the watch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 13 items in this box. So, very good box. I guess good things do come in small packages because I'm very happy. So what was your favorite item in this box? Mine was definitely the watch. But that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.